University of Toronto, and today we'll be going over some commonly asked math questions at both the high school and college levels. And if you need some homework help or tutoring, please check out the link in the description below. So now let's start our session for today. Alright, let me just zoom in a bit. Alright, so the first question today is asking us, let's copy down the question, to find the slope of the tangent line of the function, okay, of the tangent line, and the function is fx is equal to 3x over x plus 4. Okay. And we are asked to use m is equal to limit as h approach to 0 f x plus h minus fx over h. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is that we need to rewrite this as fx is equal to 3x over x plus 4, and if the part in the bracket, if we change that to x plus h, on the right hand side of the equal sign will be 3 times, instead of times x, we will times x plus h, okay, over x plus h plus 4. Okay, and now if we use fx plus h minus fx, and that will give us 3 times x plus h over x plus h plus 4 minus 3x over x plus 4, and that will be equal to 3 times x squared plus h plus 4 x plus 4h minus x squared minus h plus 4 x over x plus 4 times x plus h plus 4 minus, let's put that into the bracket, 12h, oops, oh no, okay, yep, and then simplifying that, we will have 12 over x plus h times x plus h plus 4. Okay, so let's rewrite this again. We have fx plus h minus fx, that will be equal to, oops, over h, that will be equal to 12 over x plus h, x plus h plus 4. Okay, and recalling this part, m is equal to limit as h approach to 0 fx plus h minus fx over h, and that will be equal to limit as h approach to 0 12 x plus 4 times x plus h plus 4. and that will be equal to 12 over x plus 4 square. Yep. Yeah, so that will be our final answer. Okay. Alright, so let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. Well done. Alright, so our second question for today is asking us, what is the square root of 130? Okay, so first let's try prime factorization 130. Okay, so root 130, in other words, this means the square root of 130, and this part can also be written as root 130 is equal to 2 times 5 times 13. Okay, and we realize that there's are no perfect square as a factor of 130, so therefore root 130 cannot be simplified anymore, so we can only give it a range as where its actual answer actual answer lies on. Alright, so we know that if we take square of 11, that will be equal to 121. And if we take square of 12, that would be 144. Okay, so therefore, if we take, if we apply a square root on both, that will be equal to, we will have something look like this. So therefore, root 121 and on the left hand side, and root 144 on the right hand side. So therefore root 130 will be somewhere in between. Okay, and we also know that root 121 is equal to 11, and root square root of 144 is equal to 12. So we have 11 is less than root 130 is less than 12. Yeah, so that's gonna be root 130 will be a decimal between somewhere between 11 and 12. Okay, and and the answer should be 11.4018. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's all we have for this question. Let's leave a comment. So solution is correct. Well done. Alright, so our third question today it's asking us to find the 50 derivative of y is equal to cosine x. Okay, so we'll solve this question by calculating its first derivative. Okay, so first derivative will be negative 2 sine 2x. Okay, and the second derivative will be negative 2 square cosine 2x. And continuing, we have third derivative is equal to 2 to the exponent of 3 sine 2x. And you can see the pattern. If we keep going, the 50th derivative 50 will be equal to 2, negative 2. Oops, sorry. Yep. So that will be negative 2 to the 50 and cosine 2x. Okay. Yep, and that will be our answer for this question. Let's leave a comment there. Solution is correct. Well done. Yep, so I think those are all the questions for today, and if you enjoyed today's Q&A and would like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. If you would like to submit your own questions, please read the link in the description. Remember to leave a like and a comment and share this video with your friends. And this has been Andrew from OneClass. Hope to see you soon. Bye.